Chapter 1. She came in out of the rain, mascara smudged. Her suitor entered the bar straight after her, shaking out his umbrella. Yuri watched them both from the stool where he had been perched for the last hour. He needed to be sure he had the right pair. The client had given him a photograph of the woman, but only a verbal description of the man. The couple moved to the counter. The woman took a vacant stool, her back to Yuri. Tall, well-dressed, good figure. Red velvet gloves from one of the pricier Proudtown boutiques. The man was shorter, heavy around the waist, thinning crown in the barlight. He matched the sketch. Ex-baseball player, still burly after a 5-stretch in Heaviside. No doubt at all that this was the right pair. Yuri dipped into his coat pocket, palmed the miniature camera, and extracted it. The husband needed one clear picture of the rendezvous, ammunition for a Belt City magistrate. The woman shifted into profile as she whispered to the baseball slugger. The slugger passed her a shot glass. She hooked a cigarette to her perfect lips, elbow on the counter. The man whispered. It was the ideal framing. Body language writing checks all the way to a divorce settlement. Yuri clicked off a shot, wound on. 2 more for luck. A drunk stumbled from the bathroom, jolting his chair. The camera tumbled from his fingers. Yuri jerked to catch it. The camera smashed to the polychrome tiled floor. The back sprung open, film lulled out. The cheaters directed 2 quick glances his way, then returned to their courtship. Yuri strained down to collect the camera. The drunk was quicker. He made a stumbling swoop and snatched it off the floor. In a too loud voice, "This was yours?" "It was, yes," Yuri said, reaching to recover the camera from the drunk's large, sweaty fist. "It's pretty. Was pretty, I mean." Yuri smiled obligingly. He pawed for the camera. The drunk snatched his hand away, teasingly. "Please, we'll say it was accident, no harm done." The drunk's brow beetled. "You're saying I did it?" The drunk raised his trophy and his voice. "It's a camera. This little run had a camera on him." The couple at the counter studied him now. The woman looked guileless, not yet understanding. The slugger was sharper. He eased off his stool, squaring his shoulders. Yuri stood. They were about the same height. "Oh, yo." "I am nobody. I was just sitting here with beverage, enjoying evening." "What kind of mongrel action is that?" "I am Jack," he offered. "Jack in box, you know, fresh out of hibernaculum. Hence accent." "Who were you taking pictures of?" The man advanced. The bar stilled. They all felt it. A dull vibration rattled the glasses, waggled the ceiling lights on their chains. Drinkers froze with their shots poised between table and lip. Cars slowed in the rain. Alley cats arched their backs. Streetlights flickered. Neon ads blinked off and back on. The vibration passed. The bar whirred back into life, like a gramophone starting up after a power outage. "Second one in 5 weeks, the slugger said. "Before I went down, it was 1 a year." Yuri nodded keenly. "Mrs. Vanamont got stuck in elevator during last growler, tied up whole building for 2 hours. "Who the hell is Mrs. Vanamont?" The slugger snapped his fingers at the drunk. "Hey, give me that." The drunk obeyed. The slugger examined the damaged camera with the distant, roomy interest of a pawnbroker. "Not seen one this small before. Very neat. Must have cost." "It did." The man delved into the camera and removed the already ruined film strip. He balled the film in his fingers, tossed the camera aside, and grabbed Yuri by his coat lapels. He rammed him hard against the washroom door. Yuri crashed through, the man following. Yuri pancaked onto a sticky floor. The slugger kneeled over him like a wrestler. He punched Yuri in the jaw.